Okay, before this video starts, kailangan ko lang sabihin sa inyo na kung sino man yung nagpaplanong pumunta dito sa Mariveles, sa Five Fingers at sa Lucky Beach, ang pakiusap ko lang, please, wag nyo siyang dudumihan. Bring your own kalat together with you. Isa pa, meron lang akong 1 minute. There's something big coming up para sa channel natin. I am starting a new movement para lalo tayo ma-push ng mga Pilipino na lumabas sa ating mga comfort zone. Susubukan ko lumabas sa comfort zone ko and wish me luck. Sabi ni Alexander Elliot, hello, waiting sa Masasa Beach vlog mo. Yun yung isusunod kong gagawin pagkatapos ng video na to. Nashi Boy, dang! Parang nasa sinehan ako, idol. Ganda ng pagkagawa. Well, thank you. Kuya Bok, Mangyan Wanderer. Idol, saan ka po kumukuha ng music? Secret. So hanggang dun lang yung 1 minute ko. Enjoy the video. If you must blink, do it now, because I'm about to tell a story why I decided to conquer mountains even I hated it. Dive to the depths of the ocean just to have a glimpse of it. The answer is simple. To find true happiness. Tao lang din naman ako. Meron din akong pinagdaraanan. Nalulungkot, nasasaktan, pero kailangan kong lumaban. Kaya kahit saan ko mahanap yung kaligayahan, lagi ko yung pupuntahan. Kahit gaano kahirap, handa akong sumabak.
I've been pushed for one last time. No more falls, no more climb. I don't want to be the shadow of the bigger picture. It makes me shallow. So I'm gonna stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side.
Traveling for me is like a complete package. Para akong pumasok sa ibang dimensyon na kung saan hindi existing yung lungkot, yung takot, yung pagkabahala. Parang kaya kong gawin ang lahat. Dahil na rin siguro sa mga bagay na to. Okay. Isa na doon sa mga dahilan na yun ay yung mga kaibigan ko na nakakasama ko sa tawanan, sa kalokohan, sa lungkot at saya. Nandyan lagi sila. Magkakasama naming hinaharap yung kinatatakutan naming mga karanasan na siyang tatatak sa aming puso at isipan.
Overcoming fear of heights.
At makatagpo ng natatagong ganda ng inang kalikasan.
Itong unang pinuntahan na to natin, nagbintana. Isa lang to sa 5 daliri ng 5 fingers. Oh, yung una, di ba? Nagbintana. Tapos yung pangalawa, pinanlakan. So ito naman yung cliff diving. Yan ba yan? Tatapan dito ang sabat. Oh! Bababa na ako! Doon na tayo sa middle finger ng 5 fingers. Oh, alam ko na anong tawag doon, kuya. Alam ko na anong tawag doon. Yung kawayan. Anong kawayan? So ito yung last stop natin. Itong pinakadulo, puntang mahaba ito.
Yan ang nagbibigay kulay ngayon sa buhay ko. Masasabi kong hindi ito yung ultimate happiness na hinahanap ko, but as long as we feel joy, we will continue to chase it in this path to get one more step to be happier. How about you? Are you truly happy? O sinasabi mo lang yan na masaya ka just to feel better? I want you to realize this. Finding happiness is a continuous task. Hindi siya nakatali sa isang tao o bagay. You must chase and find it. Gaya ng ginagawa namin. Make time to search for your reason and find another for another day. Life is too short to suffer. So, be a child at heart. Fill your eyes with wonders, your soul with joy, and your heart with adventure. There's a sunrise and a sunset every single day. They're absolutely free. Don't miss so many of them. Sunrise, of course, doesn't care if we watch it or not. It will keep on being beautiful even no one bothers to look at it. And sunsets? Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully.